Hello and welcome to Casual Leaves. Today I want to pot up my Alocasia babies, which I actually got from the Aroid artist. This specific container has about 3 to 4 different types of Alocasias, and a lot of them are actually black velvets, and I think I need to stop collecting black velvets now. I have just too many of them. But there are some interesting Alocasias here too, which are I think it's called Alocasia Pink Dragon, the one with the pink stems. If you can see, there's Alocasia Serendipity, Nebula, Silver Dragon, Black Velvet, and Jacklyn. I think so. That's what I have understood. And these are right now in aqua soil. I believe these have been in this container since the time they were corms, is what I understand. So I think now is a good time to remove them because they're all kind of intertangled with each other and they do not have the space to grow while they are ready to do that now. So let's get into it. I am just going to remove these. I'll have to figure how I remove them out actually, but let's do that and let me find a place where I can put the camp. Also, I will be potting them up in this container. So I got this self-watering container which I've shown in one other video. So I think at least the pink dragon, the one with the pink stems, would look really good in this one. So I'll try and put those together in this. We'll have to see where I put the other ones as we go along. Okay, so I have got this tool to help me remove the plants. I did water this yesterday so that it'll be easy to remove them. I think I can pull this one out. Really good roots. Which one is this? No idea. Maybe the Serendipity one, or is that the pink dragon? No, that's not the pink dragon. Okay, so this is Jacklyn. This is black velvet, I guess. All of these are black velvet too, I think. And this is black velvet. So this is, I think, one, and this is the other one. Yes, so I think this is definitely the pink dragon. This looks like Serendipity green, Serendipity green. These could be Nebula if I'm not too sure honestly with these guys, but I think these look different. Like, this is not black velvet. Okay, I'm back. That took a while. I did a lot of stuff behind the camera because it got super messy, and I honestly don't have a good space to shoot stuff anymore when I'm showing the process, but I think I'll fix that soon. But here is the final result. This is all of the black velvets, and I do believe I have mixed the nebula in it, if it is there. I can't know at this stage clearly which one could that be, because they look quite similar. Please do comment and tell me, maybe all of these are black velvets, maybe they are a mix of things. I have put one Jacklyn here. There was a Jacklyn corm, so I won't be surprised if these guys grow up and start looking different. I have a feeling that, like this one for example, I don't think that's a black velvet. I do think that could be a different one, but of course, like the rest of them are black velvet. So this looks good. I love this whole ring concept. You can see this white floating ring, so I know how much water there is. I have flushed it out. I have watered it once and let the water drain out. Try to make it go clear so that we have this here. So this whole reservoir system is in place. I think I will keep this in the cabinet. Can you guys see it here? Let me see. Yeah. Okay, so just a little view of it here. The next thing is, of course, like the whole plan changed. I wanted to put the pink dragon in this. I thought there are a couple of more, but there was one which I could find. So look at that lovely pink stem. And this leaf was a new leaf which wasn't getting placed inside in that little container, so it's a little crushed. But this is how they look. Love these two. So that's my pink dragon. This little cutesy. So I put it in aqua soil itself again, and this, if again I may be wrong, but I think this is a Serendipity, Alocasia Serendipity. So if you guys know if it is indeed that or something else, tell me. But that's one Alocasia single leaf here. I do hope it does well. So these are my 3 containers. This is all the leftover bed, which is a mix of PON and aqua soil, and I added some bigger pieces of pumice in it later on. So that is leftover mix for me to make other things. But yes, in the end I have this pot, this container, and this container. I'm loving these 2 guys. They are also very manageable right now. I can keep them in the cabinet and hopefully they'll see new growth, all of these guys. Again, thank you so much if you watched this video till the end. It was a bit haphazard because it got so messy. Like even aqua soil gets so messy, pond gets so messy, but once you're done with it, it's the cleanest thing, and it's the easiest, most manageable thing that you can have for maintaining your plants to a good health. So really happy about that. And yes, if you watched this video till the end, thank you so much. I hope you liked the video. Do hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel, and do hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you there. Bye.